Hello, welcome to Brainstorm number 15. I am Zulu.
I am Dreams.
And we are here commentating this match for you between Metal4Fish and blrasmu.
Yep. I wonder what stage we're going to see here.
Found the Dreams. Found the Dreams.
It's the same melee.
Yeah. I'll go. Oh, PS2.
Yeah.
PlayStation 2.
That's a very gentleman's-like thing to do.
Yeah, you know, it's gentlemanly.
Yeah.
No way! Oh, Inkling Gang! Yeah, Inkling Gang.
Alright, switch the... Switch the other.
I just hit the switch.
And then update. Already rolling into game 1 here. Let's see what we got. We got some backers into nairs into side B. Ambitious from blrasmu, but I really like where he's going.
Oh my goodness.
66% already on 79, and we are going to keep adding this percent.
Wow, because that's how you do it. Inkling, hey, as Inkling me, I am terrified of this matchup to the bone.
And why is that?
Because Ness outranges me in every possible opportunity.
Because something like that.
Yeah, he's floating, he's floaty, like Inkling, which means he's very hard to hit. Most of what Inkling does is thoroughly negated by Ness.
Yeah.
So, this is a tough matchup.
Yeah.
Indeed.
We're going to definitely have to see some rollers here from Metal4Fish if we want to skip him up. I think roller is going to be the key. If you can get your rollers off, then you can win this matchup, I think.
Yeah.
Especially at high percent.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, here. I haven't seen a roller yet, though.
The problem is that I would often go for a grab and like use forward throw to get ink on him, but against Ness, no, because when you shield, you're basically asking yourself, okay, is it worth it to get back throw by Ness? And you're basically asking yourself that, because that back throw is horrifying. So, I think Ness is arguably the best character in the game.
Oh, really?
Arguably.
Oh, okay.
Arguably. He's certainly the top in seven tier.
Yeah.
Him, Joker, Beach, and Ring. Come on, man, up there.
Oh,
Yeah, almost hitting Metal4Fish with the Alligator and GGs.
Yeah.
He stood there. Right.
Is able to block that forward smash. He didn't go for the back throw. What? Maybe a little missed input there, but this should be fine for blrasmu, honestly. Unfortunate. Unfortunate stuff there.
Yeah.
For Metal4Fish. blrasmu going up 1-0 in this matchup.
Yep. And we are still at 3. We're still at best of 3.
Yep. Oh, I think I saw Battlefield, but I'm not sure.
Yeah. The true Battlefield.
Yep, and we see Bowser because Bowser actually, I think Bowser does really nice on Battlefield. I actually think he does. I think up air and back air, you can all really shark the platform.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Especially up tilt too. Up tilt like covered almost the entire platform.
Oh, I see what he's doing. Basically, any amount of shield pressure, he does Beyblade. This matchup kind of scares me though, because like, I thought he was gonna do it to him.
Okay, alright. Very cool.
Wow, hopefully Googling.
Metal4Fish showing you why then counterpick the Battlefield with Bowser is really the move right here.
Yeah, this was actually quite amazing.
No punish though from
any amount of shield pressure just forces him to upbeat. And Bowser is so tanky. He's not hit and stunned, but he can fire.
Yeah,
which is very important.
Yep.
Which is like the set.
Unfortunate for Metal4Fish.
It's unfortunate, but we think this. Yep. He just stood there and took the PK fire.
He definitely wanted some more out of that stock. Bowser dying at like.
Yeah, I see what's happening now.
Okay.
Yeah, he's trying to throw
back here. Nice. This is a bad spot for. Oh, he lost his jump. He probably forgot that he used it.
Yeah.
He didn't use it very early on, and then he didn't hit the back air, so he kind of probably forgot that he did not land yet. Oh, he's able to avoid that down smash though. PK fire, gotta put some damage on him. Nice up air shark from blrasmu.
Oh, I thought he was gonna absolutely
Yeah.
disrespect him.
The tail of that PK Thunder just able to stop that down air.
Wait, why didn't he just go for the suicide? He's at the stop.
Yeah, he was center stage. I'm not sure if he was able to reach it that far.
If he gets
if he
the
could have,
if he gets the
a
grab,
nice trade, it would have been.
yeah, he just absolutely snapped and yeah, got
Okay, this is potentially permanent stock here for Metal4Fish.
Yeah, and this is losers. So if Metal4Fish loses his stock, he loses and is knocked out completely.
Yeah. But he's looking good right here. Parry, but that multi-hit, gonna have to do some more shielding or parrying to get through that one. Oh, he got the double jump. Oh, but he gets the ledge. Run up side, that's really nice. That's a good option, yeah.
Nice. The really nice counter pick by Metal4Fish. That was amazing.
Yep, very nice stuff there. Good counter pick with both the stage and the character. And yeah, that side B with Bowser, that's gonna be like the deal breaker in this matchup. Like you saw there, he's just able to run up and take that stock like it was nothing. But if Metal4Fish stays Bowser, which I'm sure he will, like definitely gonna hopefully see some more of those side Bs because definitely needed this matchup. Oh yeah. Okay. Game 3, here we go. I did not catch the stage, but we will obviously see it very shortly. Back to Pokemon Stadium 2. Okay. Bowser Ness here. Another LP out of shield. A side B, that's going to be great damage.
Yep. Again, the matchup is very much. Bowser is just so tanky and powerful and able to withstand a lot of stuff. Is he capable of getting around the Ness's just sheer abilities? 20% on that down, whenever that side. Nice. Ooh, perfect DI. Ooh, nice forward eye. Forward eerie. Over here. 2 damage.
Yeah. Stomps.
That's cool. Wow. Yeah, he's using that a lot. That command grab.
Yep. Back here, up here from what I was doing. PK Thunder, not gonna hit though. No punish on that down there.
He's playing like he does Inkling. Yep. He's playing Bowser like he does Inkling, which is fair.
Yep. Back here is going to take that stock, putting both of these guys in 2 stocks. blrasmu at 56%. Let's see if he can even things up here. That will be going to increase the deficit here. Down there is going to get punished with the down throw into a forward air. Oh, nice tap there. And the DI. The DI down out of like air. Double nair, nice up the shield again. Yeah, I'd really like to see some spacing on the shield with the blrasmu to try and bait out that up B. Because like he said,
he tried to go for the grab but didn't quite get it.
Yep.
Oh,
back here.
Nice backer. This is tournament stock.
Tournament. Yep.
Yeah, blrasmu is on tournament stock.
Yep. There's a nice bait on the up B out of shield. Just a good back here to punish it.
He wants those grabs so badly.
Yep. Definitely good for there. Let's see what he can do off of it again. Down smash, good stuff.
Yep,
Good
yep.
stuff.
It's the MGCs, yeah.
Yep. Really needed that to even stuff. And
Yeah, blue res.
okay, side B's here.
As someone who plays Inkling, I always kind of go.
Oh my goodness!
Probably,
I think that might have been some sus PI, but still.
And Metal4Fish doing a funny pop up.
Good stuff to both players.
And blrasmu is knocked out. Metal4Fish moves on to the next round.
He is going to losers final. Wait, losers semis. Yeah,
I think so. Yeah.
He's going to losers semis.
All right. I am Zuko,
I am Dreams.
and we'll be back before soon.